My video will provide you with help to remove the ransomware called PURGAT0RY. PURGAT0RY is the new ransomware that targets many Windows computers all over the world. My video will be only for the educational purposes, of course. I am not related to this ransomware. I will just show you how damaging this ransomware is, and I'll give you some recommendations on how you can possibly recover your files, even though I cannot guarantee that I'll help you to recover them. The ransomware encrypts files and reveals this ransom note. So basically, the ransom note indicates that the ransom supposedly needs to be paid for file restoration. Nevertheless, paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money and don't pay the ransom. I recommend you to remove this horrible ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus such as Combo Cleaner. Get it on the website combocleaner.com, combocleaner.com. Use the green download Combo Cleaner button. The software is available for all other popular operating systems, not only Windows. So download the software, install it, and then start researching your system. Click on the Start Scan button. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, which is truly essential for proper detection and removal of this ransomware. So make sure that you don't skip this important update procedure and wait until the antivirus database is successfully updated for proper detection and removal of this ransomware. After it gets successfully updated, the software begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of all the threats which were revealed on the system. And based on the summary of the threats, some infections definitely can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to the premium license. With premium license, Combo Cleaner will always protect your data with the anti-ransomware feature. You will be able to add certain folders, and the contents of those folders will always be protected against ransomware attacks, so you can be always have a peace of mind that Combo Cleaner will protect your data ahead of time. So use Combo Cleaner for protecting your data against all other possible ransomware or malware attacks.